When television moved out of the dark ages and became more and more popular back in the 50s, Rohde Schwarz set about developing the test equipment to monitor the various signal components, test cards and transmission paths. As early as 1949, Rohde Schwarz had already built a 250-watt VHF radio transmitter. It went into operation in Munich and was the first VHF transmitter in Europe. Milestones in the development of broadcasting were the introduction of stereo radio broadcasts and color television. The first test signal insertion and analysis equipment was marketed in the 70s. Today, computer-controlled TV monitoring equipment can check a whole TV transmitter network. In the intervening years, technology has developed at breakneck speed. In fact, today's communications can cover thousands of miles in mere fractions of a second. Transmission quality standards have become more and more exacting. This is why developments to satisfy listeners' and viewers' desire for better quality and reliability of service are essential. While transmitter networks undergo a continuous process of automation, the amount of service data, control data, and acknowledgement data that have to be handled is also growing. Systems from Rohde Schwarz are the cost-effective way of coping with this kind of data, because they are transferred over the channels already available in the transmitter network. Service quality is monitored by analyzing the program signals at the beginning and the end of the transmission path.
Katrin, Jochen, habt ihr die Fächer rausgelegt? Ja? Ich steck sie dann an, ja, okay. Okay, du Ulrich, und die Karte habe ich, gell?
An important innovation in VHF radio is transmitting RDS functions in stereo multiplex signals. This extra information helps listeners whether they are on the move or not. Traffic announcements help drivers plan their journeys, for example, taking a detour to avoid traffic jams. Rohde Schwarz has developed an FM data coder which generates traffic announcements and the additional features provided by the radio data system. The selected transmitter program is automatically set and stored on the receiver, an excellent service for drivers facing more and more traffic on the roads. These innovations provide considerably better service, better sound quality, more information, more safety, more opportunity to relax, even to modern consumers who take so much for granted. Rohde Schwarz is one of the world's leading TV transmitter manufacturers. The customers are highly trained professionals, and the technology and economics of anything they buy is very carefully scrutinized. Rohde Schwarz markets a whole range of TV transmitters tailor-made to the customer's specific requirements. Each transmitter, such as this 10 kilowatt model, is designed around the future station. With the development of TV sound channel separation equipment, Rohde Schwarz has created something highly beneficial for the user. The music lover enjoys full stereo sound. Film fans may prefer their movies in the original language. This is possible with Rohde Schwarz's dual carrier dual sound technique. The original language soundtrack is on one channel and the dubbed version on the other. Many renowned manufacturers from all over the world have been relying on Rohde Schwarz for years. Fast, exact, and easy-to-operate test and monitoring systems are required for monitoring transmitters and assessing service quality. The same applies to production checks on TVs and VCRs. These automatic test systems for quality controlling VCRs can measure important parameters in an extremely short time. This makes them ideal for product testing and outgoing goods checks as the VCRs move down the production line. This kind of system can check all the main video parameters when quality control samples are taken, in the development phase, for example.
Das erste Märzwochenende bescherte der Fußball-Bundesliga endlich wieder ein volles Programm.
Rohde Schwarz also has an important part to play in terrestrial TV broadcasting. Even before satellite TV got off the ground, Rohde Schwarz was all ready with a complete line of satellite TV test gear and a variety of other satellite equipment. Working closely with our customers, we plan and implement turnkey solutions in any area. Rohde Schwarz markets transmission, monitoring and test equipment for TV services using the popular PAL, CCAM and NTSC standards, and also for the latest European TV transmission systems such as DMAC and D2MAC. Rohde Schwarz is also working on equipment for HD TV, enabling TV viewers to enjoy cinema-quality pictures in their own homes. Video recorders are also being made easier to use, more user-friendly, provided, for example, with a VPS system with barcode entry of recording data. Rohde Schwarz developed the TV data line coder especially for this purpose. This encoder produces the signals that identify the program being received. A recorder with VPS switches on automatically when the program you want begins, even if the station is running off schedule, and records the program all the way to the end. Unnoticed by the viewer, a number of test and control procedures are performed as he watches TV. Technicians can check various signals inserted in test lines. This information is essential to ensure continuous high-quality TV transmissions. Problems are eliminated at once, and remedial action can often be taken long before a fault actually occurs. When a program is broadcast, a number of parameters are checked simultaneously. Video text information is also transmitted. Since its inception, Rohde Schwarz's Sound and TV Broadcasting Division has performed to the complete satisfaction of such exacting customers as PTTs, TV studios, TV and VCR manufacturers, TV networks, radio monitoring services, and research institutes. As operators require 100% availability for their sophisticated Rohde Schwarz equipment, we have built up a broad international service network. Over 80 centers in all corners of the world carrying out maintenance, repairs, and calibration have been provided for the customer's convenience. There are some 400 employees hard at work in the training and service centers in Cologne and Munich alone. Over the years, Rohde Schwarz has forged ahead with further radio and TV developments to keep pace with the high expectations and quality consciousness of our customers. Rohde Schwarz continues to set standards in precision electronics and produces the technology that provides full television enjoyment for us all.